So, hello. 2, 1, come on, be as quick as you can. All of you, you have to do to each other, each one. Please now, yes. What we did when we were 18. So it could be anything crazy. When I was 18, I bunked my school or my class. Or when I was 18, I went to drink beer for the first time. Yes.
Traveling Europe.
Whoa! Anything anyone else wants to know?
I don't remember. I'm still 18 now.
First fight, right? With a girl? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, yes.
Start in the morning.
Well, I would say he was very handsome. Fine, you should continue modeling now again. Yeah. One person will take the selfie, the rest all of you need to take us together. Pointing at something. Who's taking the selfie? Yes. How many babies? Bravo, come on, team monkeys. You get 2 minutes. Each team gets 2 minutes. You have to go crazy, 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 collect the ball crazy, collect the ball crazy. The balls count. Everything counts. Everything should be down. 1. Come on, whoever counts first. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. Collect the balls, collect the balls, collect the balls. Come on. Quick, 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 quick. All the walls and the piggies, everyone, all the walls should be knocked down. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. She does that quack, 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 quack. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you all of you. Thank you.